Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 396 different strategies, with 126 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 295 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,047 indicators, with 437 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says this fraud indicator from Tradingview will always keep you ahead in trading. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. It mentions just a indicator, but it definitely is more than one indicator, like most source videos do. But nonetheless, we'll go ahead and test it. Let's put these, hide these two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ultimate bands indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and it will look like this here. We'll keep all the settings on the default. We won't change anything here. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Gaussian filter indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll keep this one on the default settings. Everything stays as is, and go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for when we get a green enter tag like this here from the Gaussian filter indicator. When we get a green enter tag like this here, we're then going to look down to the ultimate bands indicator, and we want this cloud here to be above the zero line, like it is right here, just barely. That'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll set our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right at the bottom of this channel here. And we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, you can see that we make this a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for the orange exit signal or tag like this here from the Gaussian filter. And then we're going to look down to the ultimate bands, and we want the cloud to be to the downside of the zero line, just like it is here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. Again, we'll put our stop right here at the top of this channel, and we're going to target the same 1 to 2 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, once again we get a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 28% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 2 risk reward, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,800 for an overall loss of $2,400. So definitely not great results. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 56 trades altogether. We had 44 winning trades and 12 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $26,400. The losing side, you'd have lost $14,400 for an overall gain of $12,000. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly, would have put your total gain closer to the $26,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. We are still at the 32nd and 33rd winning trade in a row, maintaining that 100% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the 2 trades on screen now, one right after another. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. It's a really powerful combination. In back testing, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. Now, of course, since the election here in the States, the crypto's been a little bit wild, so I've been kind of holding off for the last week or so, holding off on jumping in any trades, just letting the volatility kind of settle down a tad. But again, still a super powerful strategy. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we are offering a money-back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you are not profitable in the first month, we'll give you your money back. And so you can join our Discord and take a look at the money back guarantee right here under the money back guarantee channel. So, all right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.